Hey guys, and welcome to this little vlog. So this is just going to be me the past 2 days, just kind of what I've been up to. It's going to be cleaning, shopping, returning, some Christmas stuff, just a little bit of everything, just a little bit of my life, a day in the life of me. So interesting. I hope you guys do enjoy it, and if you do, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, because I'm going to be doing so many Christmas videos. It's going to be insane. I love Christmas, and Aaron and I are planning on going all out this holiday season, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get into the vlog.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you, and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me, and I will understand. Now and then, used to be your future, now you see me as your end. When you're hiding, we're colliding. Better be and stop pretend. I was silent, you were blind. Better leave those fears behind. If you're still bleeding, see me as a friend. You won't believe me, and I will understand. Now and then, now and then. You won't believe me.
Okay guys, so I want to show you what my mom got me because I start school in January. So I'm just so excited to like have stuff that has like the logo on it and occupational therapy. I mean, I'm like totally nerding out, geeking out, whatever. And so she got me 2 of these shirts that say UT Health Science Center, occupational therapy, and the sticker for my car. And then we got these shirts that just have the UT Health Science Center on it, another one of the occupational therapy, and then a sweatshirt. It already has dog hair on it and I haven't even worn it. And then she also got me a coffee mug, which I'll show you guys in a second. So I'm just really excited. So shout out to you, Mom. You're awesome. Thank you for getting me all this stuff because we can wear this with our scrub pants to school. So this is going to be my literal uniform every single day. So yeah, I'm just really excited. I can't wait to start school, but I'm really enjoying my last 2 months. 2 months from today I start school. That's crazy. I just want to show you guys what I got before I put it all up. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to make Aaron for breakfast tomorrow. He actually is going to be home on a Saturday, which hasn't happened in a while, so I want to make sure I have all the stuff that I need. Definitely need buttermilk. I don't have that to make Joanna Gaines's pancakes in her Magnolia Table cookbook. I love this cookbook. I just think it's so cute, like just in general, and all the pictures and stuff in them it just looks amazing. So just gonna prepare and see what I need to put on my grocery list because I'm gonna be going to the grocery store later today to get stuff for Sunday when we have people over. So, but pancakes are priority for tomorrow morning. these babies. Mommy Josie, you wanna play? Oh. What I got at Dollar Tree the other day. I went ahead and got some of these Christmas little picks because the good ones always go super fast and they're only $1, so it's like you might as well. But like these look so nice for Dollar Tree, so I picked these up to like stick in my mantle up there around Christmas. So I got one of those, this one which is like so pretty, and one of these because I really like the white and with the little pine cone. And then I just got a regular plain little wreath. Doesn't look the best, but I have a plan for it with like, I want to get one of those IKEA dome glass things and put it in the middle and then fill that with ornaments and then stick it in here and then use that as a centerpiece. I thought that would be really cute and really affordable, and for $1, I mean, this is fine. And then they have, their garland is actually really good, and you can get 15 feet of garland for $1. So I bought a lot of that last year. So I want to show you what I got at Target. My mom and I got matching cardigans because the sweaters and the jeans are buy one get one half off. If you're watching this right now, today's November 2nd. So, but look at how soft and cozy this is, and this color is so pretty. Like it's so different and unique. It's like an emerald green color, and this is what the tag looks like. I got a large because I like my cardigans to fit oversized, and it's the brand A New Day. So super cute. Thanks, Mom, for my cardigan. And then I got myself 2 new pairs of jeans because the jeans were buy one get one half, and I really like the way their jeans fit me. Like for $25, they're really good jeans. So I got a pair of just dark washed, and these are the high-rise jegging, and I got it in a 4 long. I got the same pair in this black dark wash, really dark wash color. It's like almost like a gray. But that was really cute. I will try this on for you guys later. And then I got 2 tank tops, which I need to try on and make sure they fit. I just got an olive green color to kind of wear with my another cardigan that I got. This color to wear with another cardigan, not this green one. And then just a plain white one to wear with that cardigan. So just a little mini Target and Dollar Tree haul to show you guys before I put all this stuff up and see what I gotta make sure all this fits because I didn't try it on in the store, but we're gonna just take our chances and guess. Okay, so I got pretty much my house picked up. I haven't like done the deep cleaning. Hey buddy, he's so cute. But I got a lot of stuff done. I just had to put those back on the floor where I vacuumed and put all this stuff up. But that's pretty much it. I have laundry going. That's all donations right there. So a lot of stuff done. And now I need to make a grocery list, go to the grocery store, and then Starbucks is doing their holiday cup thing today, so I want to go by there maybe if I have time. Yeah, so we're making progress. More donations over there. We're getting rid of a lot of stuff and like just kind of cleaning out, but here's the progress. And my room is done as well, and now I'm just doing laundry and finishing up. Okay, excuse my bathroom, but these are the black jeans on. You can't really tell in this mirror, but they kind of like group right here in an odd way, and they really gap on me in the back. Like, might go to Target and try on a size 2 and size down because I feel like these are just a little big, like especially through here in the waist. They fit me really good everywhere else, and they're also like a little long, so I may not need an actual long, but yeah. So these are the black ones. I know my mirror's dirty, but yeah, I think I could probably get away with a 2. Okay, so these fit a little bit better than the black ones did. They're the exact same like style, cut, and everything. I don't know, I still kind of want to try on, I still kind of want to try on a 2 because I feel like they would just fit a little bit better, but these fit me so good through the legs. I like the way these fit though. These fit better than the black ones. They look good on. Try it on with the tank tops and the cardigans so you can get a full outfit feel. I definitely want to go to Target and try on the 2s, and then if those fit better, then I'll return. Okay, so here's with the white tank top on. I just have a black sports bra on underneath. And the cardigan, I absolutely love the cardigan. The tank tops, I probably could have gotten a medium. I got a large. So I'm probably gonna switch those out too because like they're too long this way. And I wanted them to be a little long, but I might switch those out as well. But I'm definitely keeping the cardigan. And I like the jeans. I just want to try on a too. I'm about to get ready, or not get ready. I'm not putting on any makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and run to Walmart and Target and maybe Starbucks because I want to get the red cup for like the holiday drinks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a t-shirt and leggings back on because why not? And catch up with you guys in the car. Okay, so I just got a holiday drink, which, you know, they have the regular holiday cups out now, but they didn't give me a reusable cup. I didn't see any out, and I was like, dude, do you have them? And they're like, no. So I guess I'm not getting a reusable cup, but whatever. But I was kind of sad. Gotta go to Target and return those clothes, and I gotta go to Walmart and get groceries, and then I can go home. Aaron says now he has to work Saturday, so no more Joanna Gaines pancakes. From running errands and going to the store, so I just want to show you like a little grocery mini haul and what I got at Target because I just got a few things. They finally had all their Christmas stuff out, like almost all the Christmas dollar spot stuff. So I finally was able to pick up these cute little galvanized houses. They have the glitter tops. My thing looks funny right there, but they all look like that. And you put little lights in them, and it's the cutest little light up scene at night. So I got the silo one. Looks like that, and these are all $3. And then I got the house, so cute, and I got the barn. So these will look so cute lit up at night, like with like a little Christmas scene, like on a mantle or on like a piece of furniture. Like I have that big Ethan Allen piece that I will probably put those up on for Christmas. This sign, I just thought that was super cute. It said Merry Christmas, and this was $3 as well. And this sign that says Joy, $3 as well. You have to get this stuff like right when they put it out or else it'll be gone, so that's why I went ahead and bought it. At Target, I got those jeans that I tried on in a size 2. They fit me a lot better than the Forest did, so I got those. I really wanted that black and white polka dot dress, but that would have been an extra like 25 bucks, so I would have spent way more than I needed to. So I'll get that next time, but it was a really cute dress, but I really needed the jeans more. So then at Walmart, I just got some magic erasers, some cleaning disinfectant, some fresh baking soda because I need some for cooking this weekend, stick butter, flour, apples, and red potatoes for when we have people over this Sunday. I'm making an apple pie and mashed potatoes for everybody. We're doing like a Friendsgiving, so that's all I got. Not much, but still enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and put all this away and then finish up whatever else I need to do in the house, and then Aaron should be home around 4:30, so it's almost 4, so I still have about 30 minutes. From this morning, I just got a few things done around the house, and it is now 12:50, and I'm heading to take Aaron and his coworker some lunch because they had work today. I just made them some sandwiches and chips and stuff, and I'm going to take that to them. And yeah, that's about all I'm going to do today. I don't have that many plans. Sorry, I thought I was getting pulled over for a second. But that's what I'm doing now. And I'm probably going to run some errands, and then I'll probably wrap up this vlog. This has been kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm up to. Hey guys, so I just got out of Bargain Hunt, and I got a blanket, and it's a Target blanket that I wanted. They had everything 25% off today, so I went ahead and just got it. It's this one, that like chenille kind of knit, and I thought this would be perfect for Christmas. Sorry, thought this would be really good for Christmas, and I got it for 10 bucks, and it's Target brand, it's Threshold. It's the kind they have out right now. And I was going to get one anyway, but I saved $10 by buying it at Bargain Hunt. So here's the tag. It says Threshold, and it was $13, and then I got it 25% off. So I'm really excited about that. So now I'm about to go across the street to the Super Target and probably just get something for dinner, and I need some like hairspray, and that's it. So hopefully I'll get out of there without spending money, or like a lot of money, but that, you know, it's okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of my past 2 days. Hope you guys did enjoy it. I know it's just kind of a random vlog, but I really like to do these kind of videos, and if you do like them, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you on my channel, and I'm ready to do Christmas videos, so give me some suggestions. What do you guys want to see? I also still want to do something about like grad school and financial aid and stuff, because I'm dealing with all that right now, so if you guys would like to see a video on that, just let me know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.